What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. Jason Wojo here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're getting into the worst niches for you to be going after as an SMMA owner in 2023. And if you are an SMMA owner and you're just starting out, you want to get your first client in the first 30 days, click the first link in the bio or description. And if you don't get your first client in 30 days, you get a full refund. So let's get right into today's episode. The first niche that you should not be going after are like wellness coaches, life coaches, and fitness coaches, okay? Those are the three worst niches within the coaching space that you should not be going after. They're broke as fuck. Their offers never convert on cold traffic. It's gonna be hard for you to get them leads unless they have massive authority or they're an author or they have a book, they have a massive podcast. Like, it's very hard to get those kind of coaches results. Number two is going to be automation experts. So anybody who is an expert in automation or systems or processes, like I say, again, if they don't have a massive following, podcast, or they're not an author, it's very hard to get them results as well on cold traffic. Number three is going to be anything in the CBD niche, hemp, gummies, stuff like that. Even though there are brands out there that crush it, it's hard to run ads compliantly on those offers. So Google ads, most of them get banned. You know, you got to run native, which is like Taboola and Rev Content. You know, you got to be a master of native ads. You can't run hemp and stuff on Facebook and IG and TikTok, and it's just very, very hard. The next niche is going to be any Ecom store that does not have influencer marketing or UGC videos or a budget for UGC. A lot of Ecom stores right now are coming out of the water and they have no fucking content, no testimonials, no proof, no structure. And when you tell them, hey, we need to get influencer videos, that's going to take us 30 to 45 days, then they say, fuck your retainer. I don't want to pay right now. I don't need your help. Or they're too lazy because they don't know what structure looks like, and you getting them to do something, you're selling behavioral change. You're not going to get your client to just randomly come out of nowhere, hop on a sales call with you, pay your retainer and be like, yeah, I'm ready. Like, I'm going to pay people on bill. I'm going to go on TikTok, create a marketplace. I'm going to do all that shit. Hell to the fucking no. Number four is MLM. Okay, MLMs right now are just not a good niche to go after. They're not easy to run ads for on, obviously compliance-wise on these ad platforms. And to be very upfront and honest, they fucking suck, okay? It's very hard. You get a bunch of shit quality leads for the client. The client gets pissed. They don't stay around long, okay? MLMs are more for network marketing, which is not always through ads. And then number five is anybody who's pushing Amazon and Walmart stores right now. Amazon and Walmart stores are fucking dead. And I'll add another category to it, which is like stock trading groups, okay? So Walmart and Amazon, the reason why is because they're just doing so much more compliance and they're just kicking a bunch of these Amazon sellers out of their accounts. And it's like, it's not on a platform that you own. You don't control it. So you sell in these Amazon stores, yeah, they're high ticket, but like the fulfillment sometimes is sketchy. Amazon can randomly shut you down. So all these people that are selling this shit are randomly getting just kicked out. And then that's also with the stock trading groups. Like right now, the stock market's very like uncertain. So these stock market groups where people do trading and all of that, there's gonna be more friction than ever. It's not a good niche to go after, and it's very hard to advertise for that financial niche as well, which also is like financial advisors, real estate agents, people who say, if you get me leads, I'll close them. They fucking suck. They don't know how to close leads. They're the worst people to work with. They're the brokest people to work with, and they just don't understand the value of money, time, and obviously having the skills to close deals. So those are the biggest niches right now that are the fucking worst. I would not be going after. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.